Good morning, students. So, today we are going to start a new chapter, lesson number 4 of science, kinds of materials or sorting groups into materials. So, first of all, what is material? A substance or a thing which is used to make different objects is called material. For example, utensils used to cook food cannot be made from paper. Like you see, Surai, here the picture. सो मटीरियल्स आर अ सब्सटेंस, कोई भी सब्सटेंस या कोई भी ऐसी थिंग जिसे यूज़ करके हम अलग अलग ऑब्जेक्ट्स बनाते हैं, उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? मटीरियल्स. सो यूटेंसिल्स यूज्ड टू कुक फूड कैन नॉट बी मेड फ्रॉम पेपर, दे आर नॉट मेड फ्रॉम पेपर. नेक्स्ट इज लाइक क्लोथ एंड यूटेंसिल्स. In the same way, cloth cannot be used to store water since it has pores. Here, the picture of wooden chair or a silver glass. They both look different. Wooden chair is made up of wood and silver glass is made up of silver. So, they both look different and they are made up of different materials. Now, come to the properties of material. In this chapter, we are going to study the properties of materials in detail. फर्स्ट इज अपीयरेंस, कि कोई वो दिखते कैसे हैं. लस्टर इज चमक. थर्ड इज कलर, ऑर्डर एंड टेस्ट, सबका कलर कैसे है, ऑर्डर एंड टेस्ट कैसा है. हार्डनेस, सॉफ्ट है कि हार्ड है. नेक्स्ट इज स्टेट सॉलिड है, लिक्विड है और गैस स्टेट में है. सॉलिबिलिटी मीन्स सॉलेबल है कि नहीं है. नेक्स्ट इज ऑब्जेक्ट्स फ्लोट्स और सिंक्स इन वाटर. कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स जो है फ्लोट करते हैं और कुछ सिंक करते हैं. सो ये भी एक प्रॉपर्टी है. नेक्स्ट इज ट्रांसपेरेंसी, कि वो ट्रांसपेरेंट है कि नहीं है. ये सब हम इस डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे इस चैप्टर में. वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी ऑल इन डिटेल. सो वी स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी, दैट इज अपीयरेंस. Students, here is a wooden chair or a plastic cup. Both are looking different from each other. Objects around us look very different from each other. This is because the nature of the material from which they are made differs from each other. Rubber appears very different from wood. Copper appears very different from silver or gold. But at the same time, if we look at them carefully, metals like copper, iron, silver, gold, aluminium have a common property. That is, they all shine. Similarly, wood and rubber have a common property. That is, they do not shine. So each material looks different from other. Wood looks different from plastic. Plastic looks different from copper. Copper looks different from iron or aluminium. Therefore, materials can be classified on the basis of appearance. So, first property is appearance. हम materials को classify कर सकते हैं किसके basis पे? appearance के, वो दिखते कैसे हैं. Now see the silver glass and plastic cup. Here second property is luster. That is, हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं इसको चमक. So lustrous objects or luster, these are the objects which shine. And like gold bangle, silver glass, copper wire appear different from a plastic cup or a wooden chair. This is because things made up of metal shine. This shine on the surface of the metal is called luster. And there are non-lustrous objects also which do not shine. So luster is a shine on the objects. Now take a piece of copper or aluminium wire used to conduct electricity or uses electric wire. Cut it and watch the cut ends. What do you observe? You observe that they also shine. So they shine because they are lustrous. They can be drawn into wires, so they are ductile. The property of metal to be drawn into wire is called ductility. Ductility is easily stretched without breaking. So they can be drawn into wires. They are called ductile. The property of metal to be drawn into wire is called ductility. Next is they can be beaten into sheets. So they are malleable. What is the meaning of malleable? They can be hit or pressed into shape easily without breaking or cracking. So the property of metal to be beaten into sheets is called malleability. Now, color, order and taste. Take spices like turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder. We can easily distinguish them by their color, which is yellow, red, green respectively. So we can classify material according to the color. They all are different in color. Turmeric is yellow, chili powder is red, and coriander powder is green. Next property is hardness. You must have compressed many types of materials around you. Do you find all of them same? Do you feel when you compress them? You must have noticed that some of the materials like iron, wood are hard to compress. These two materials cannot be compressed. So on the other hand, some materials like sponge, cotton are soft to compress. These materials can be compressed. Finally, we can say that the materials which can be compressed are soft materials, whereas the materials which cannot be compressed are hard materials. Here in the picture, there is a cotton in the hand of one boy, and a wooden box in the hands of the other boy. So cotton is soft and wooden box is hard. So take jelly, apple, cardboard and a metal objects and feel them with eyes closed. Can you distinguish them just by touch? Yes, very easily. You know what are soft objects, what are soft materials and what are hard materials. So there is one exception, that diamond is the hardest material, whereas tall is the softest material. Tall क्या होता है? Powder, जो हम talcum use करते हैं. Talcum powder is the softest material. So things which can be compressed, cut, bent, stretched easily are called soft material, and the things which cannot be compressed, cut, bent or scratched easily are called hard materials. So students, we will continue the other properties of materials in the next video, in the next session. Go through the video very carefully and try to do the questions of assignment by your own and watch video again. Thank you.